Hello, this is Meg Tidcombe with Naples Sunset Living, John R. Wood Properties, and Christie's International Real Estate. I'm here to show you this beautiful open house that I'm hosting today, Saturday, August 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at 210 Grant Avenue in Lehigh Acres. So let's take a look. First thing you'll notice is this beautiful modern open concept. You've got your drop desk to the left for all of your essentials. Your formal dining and wet bar to the right. A beautiful kitchen, waterfall granite island, fingerprint resistant appliances. French doors to the rear lanai, which is over 400 square feet and does have its own full bath for a future pool or spa. Up front here, you've got a perfect office and or guest suite right off the main entrance. Nice bright room. Room to work, room to sleep, just a perfect den flex space. Take you down the hall to the primary. This is a very spacious primary suite, brand new carpet, tray ceiling, ceiling fan, walk-in closet, and this gorgeous primary bath. You've got another walk-in closet along with linen. You've got not one, but two sinks and a vanity space. Your water closet, of course, and then this amazing ADA compliant roll-in shower, beautiful tile surround, multiple shower heads, just a really wonderful space. Next, as we pass the built-in wet bar, I'm going to take you to the two guest bedrooms, set up beautifully for their little ones right now, but really good size. New carpet, bright lighting, big closets, really great bedroom spaces. They're identical. I'll show you the other. Again, set up for a little one, but plenty of space for a queen bed, dresser, desk, all of the above. Bright sunshine to the backyard and the lanai, and again, another double closet. These two bedrooms share this, again, modern, beautifully tiled restroom. And the end of this hall is your mudroom, laundry room, and access to the garage. Nice new washer dryer. Double garage, plenty of room for storage. And last but certainly not least, you have to see this amazing lanai. As I mentioned, I believe it's 440 square feet, fully screened in, panoramic screens, so you really get that feeling like you're outside, but not having to worry about any of the bugs or critters. Plenty of room for playthings for your children. They have a beautiful entertaining area. This nice big couch, grill. Really, you could do anything out here. This yard is all flat, is 100% fenced in. You could do a pool. You could have chickens. You could make some extra parking for your toys, build outbuildings. There are no HOAs, there are no rules. The options are endless. And out here you even have your own full bath for entertaining or for that future pool, or whatever you may want it to be. All right, well, that's the house. Again, we're at 210 Grant Avenue in Lehigh. Open today, Saturday, August 26th from 10 to 1. And I really hope to see you here today. Come check out this amazing view with me. We've got treats and cold drinks. And really looking forward to having a big crowd. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.